Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. This is a very quick video talking about how you can enter your data in SPSS and run a simple analysis. So before we begin, I just want to introduce the SPSS got two main tabs. The first one we call it as data view, and then another one we call it as variable view. This one is variable view, this one is data view. Variable view is where you can enter your data. So in this particular case, I'm going to insert several data. Example, here I put x1 and I'm going to name it as gender. So as you know, gender got two options. The first one we call it male, and then the second one we call it as female. After that, I'm going to click OK, and the measures will be set as nominal. The next one is x2. So the x2, automatically the computer are going to change the type into numeric. If you are you have a special required item, you can click this three dot and then you can request accordingly. So in this x2, for example, I'm going to set it as race, and the race are being classified into three. For example, Malay, and then number one is Chinese, and then the third one is Indian. So this is the example of my country, race, and then we got nominal measures also. So x3, I'm going to set this one as weight, so weight in the kilogram, and then I'm going to set this one as scale data. The x4, I'm going to set it as height, which is measured in meter. So this one also are going to be spelled out as scale. And last but not least is Y is talking about knowledge. So the knowledge will be measured according to the percentage for the knowledge. So this is the example of a data set consists of 10 respondents according to their weight, height, and also knowledge. So let us insert our data. In this example, for the training purposes, I'm going to just simulate to you the idea of the data analysis. So let's say this is our data. So our data consists of several people indicated in this video, so you can write it at the same time. Okay, so this is just an example of the data that already being keyed in from the questionnaire. All right, so this is the example: 1.76, 1.65, 1.64, 1.63, 1.55, 1.67, 1.78, 1.45, 1.56. Okay, so the knowledge is as according to this example. Okay, basically the data you can replicate and just write it as you wish, because in this example I'm just simulate the data according to this example. So if you look into this data, you have the gender, you got the race, and then you got the weight in numeric, kilogram, height in meter, and then knowledge in percentage. So you have here is a value levels. So the value level is very important if you want to see any changes occurred in our ordinal or nominal scale data. Okay, after you set up your variable, you can run several analyses by clicking this analyze button. So in this case, I'm going to go to analyze, descriptive statistics, and a report for frequencies. So after clicking the gender and race into the variable box, I can request straight away by clicking OK button. The SPSS are going to simulate the numbers of male and female as accordingly. So this is also the number of the race as according to our dataset. Then we can proceed with our descriptive statistics also in this frequency table by resetting everything, and then put our another numeric data, but this numeric data you can request for the MCT. We call it as a mean, mode, median, standard deviation, quartile, skewness, and kurtosis, and then you can run the numerical analysis. So this is the mean of weight, the mean of height, the mean of knowledge. So you got here as a median, mode, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis. Skewness and kurtosis are very useful, especially if you want to know whether your data is normally tabulated or not. And the frequency table are going to be presented as shown in this output from the SPSS. So I hope this 5 minutes to 6 minutes video give you some idea about how you can further analyze your data using SPSS. With that, thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye-bye.